Clean the entire head with parts cleaner and a soft brush. Clean the cylinder head mounting surface with a plastic scraper. If you have carbon buildup in the combustion chamber, soak it in parts cleaner, then gently scrub it off with a scouring pad. Clean the spark plug threads by threading a rolled up shop towel through the hole. With the surface cleaned, inspect for any signs of obvious damage. Check the water jackets are free from obstruction and the mating surface is smooth. You can smooth out small pits and burrs with 600 grit emery paper, but be careful, 1/1000th of an inch can take your head out of spec. Gently run your spark plug thread follower all the way through the spark plug hole to correct any potential misalignment. If your threads are stripped out and your follower cannot correct them, you will need to install a helicoil. Inspect for head warp. Lay your straight edge across 2 adjacent mounting holes and try to fit your feeler gauge underneath. If you find any gaps, double check the head for smoothness and try again. If the gap still exists, record the measurement. Repeat this measurement around the head. The warp limit for your cylinder head is 0.002 inches. You may be able to bring your head back into spec with a sheet of emery paper. Tape the emery paper to a sheet of glass and dampen with water. Run your cylinder head in a figure 8 motion against the paper using very light pressure. Stop and measure your clearance every 3 passes. If you cannot bring your head back to spec, you will need to take it to a machine shop. Clean your cylinder head with hot, soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Dry with compressed air and double check the mating surface for smoothness. If everything looks good, apply a light coat of WD-40 to avoid oxidation, and wrap your cylinder head in plastic wrap to avoid contamination until you are ready for assembly. Finally, check the hanger plates for damage. If the plates are bent or the holes are elongated, they need to be replaced. These have some dents on top, but they are still straight with round holes.